Aston Martin revealed the DB11 Volante today. And it's more than just a DB11 coupe without the roof. The convertible receives a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 as the only engine option, leaving out the 5.2-liter V12 that's offered on the coupe version. The Aston Martin DB11 Volante makes 503 horsepower and 513 pounds-feet of torque, producing the same HP but more torque than the coupe's V8. That's a far cry from the V12 coupe's 600 horsepower and 516 pounds-feet of torque. But still nothing to sneeze at. The 4,134-pound convertible comes with a familiar 8-speed automatic transmission as well as electric power steering and limited slip differential with dynamic torque vectoring. Hitting 60 miles per hour takes 4.1 seconds from a standstill. Aston Martin says top speed is 187 miles per hour. The Volante features an 8-layer fabric roof that pops up in 14 seconds and down again in 16. Drivers can operate the top remotely with a key fobber while driving at speeds up to 31 mph. Color choices for the hood include Bordeaux red, black silver, or gray silver. Like its coupe counterpart, the DB11 Volante features a single-piece aluminum hood. It's around 57 pounds lighter than its predecessor, the DB9 Volante, and boasts 20% more cargo room with the updated hood system. A deployable spoiler improves downforce. Inside, the Volante features new wood or carbon fiber veneer panels on the seatbacks. Standard equipment includes heated front seats, an Alcantara headliner, 360-degree surround view parking cameras, and navigation. And buyers can splurge for optional DB11 embroidered headrests, personalized sill plates, or a new wind deflector. Aston Martin is currently taking orders for the DB11 Volante, which starts at $219,581. Deliveries begin in the first quarter of 2018.